go. The game is broken. Who broke it? Tell me, who broke the game? Tell me now. I don't know. Tell me. Tell me. Shut up. There's a why question right now. Is it or is it not a why? Where is the cookies also? I don't know. Just keep eating me. No. Tell me, where are the cookies? Alright. Eat my mother butt. Bish. But we're in your butt. Around the corner. Bish. If you don't stop making these jokes, I'm gonna have to kill you or take you to the death spot. Or actually just that, where the raccoons are. Yes, where the raccoons are, where they can eat you alive. Actually, I've been up there multiple times, and no raccoons, you idiot. But I'll put them up there. Yeah, you seen billions at the trash can. Doesn't mean any. I can still kill you. Kill me now. But what if I don't want to? Then kill me now. Before I kill you. Do you hear me? Louder! Yes, sir! Then that's what I thought. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Shh. She's asleep. 5 minutes later. He motherfucker. Then motherfucker. Don't know I'm up in here awake. So let's sneak the fuck out of here. Let's go. How am I gonna get the hell down? The long motherfucking drop. Y'all live once. Yeah. Me. Let's sneak our ass out of here. Let's go. I can't make it to that goddamn doorknob. But I'm gonna try. By the dog, that's whatever spider dog can do. Yes, I pulled it. Now it must open. Open. Oh no. I'm scared. Don't know what to do. Let's go. Scoot that door. Let's go. Let's go. You're staying in here because you are a bad little crew. You know not to try and run away. Do you hear me?